How to see Yahoo Mail password. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can see Yahoo Mail password. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So actually, there is no direct way you can see Yahoo Mail's password. So if you want to see Yahoo Mail's password, there is no setting which enables you to view it. But the only thing that you can do to actually see your login credentials is head over to your settings and see if you have saved Yahoo's password. So if you're under iPhone's iOS less than 18, what you can do is you can head over to settings and search for an option called password. If you don't find it here, there is a new app called Passwords and it's after the iOS 18 update. So you can open up the Passwords app. And after you open up the Passwords app, you should find all of your saved passwords. So right from here, you should be able to see your Yahoo. So open up your Yahoo and there you should see the password for your Yahoo as well. Now all you have to do is tap on this password option to just view the password. And that's how you see Yahoo email password. Thanks for watching guys. That is how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.